I'm worried. Where's Emoji? He's dead. Okay, so how do I bring him back to life then? Well then, just go ask iPad. He is the host after all. Okay, I'll go ask him. Hey iPad, can you recover Emoji? Yeah, sure, I guess. Wait a minute, what just happened? You died, but I recovered you. Sorry to interrupt you guys, but we need to move. Welcome Team No. You lost last episode, so you're up for elimination. Okay, at least everybody got 0 votes, except for Zappy and Skittle. Yeah, whatever about the votes. What are the prizes? If Team Yes didn't get any prizes, what makes you think you're gonna get any prizes? Okay, could everybody please stop talking so I can announce the votes? Okay, thank you. Anyways, we got a total of 8 votes. Zappy got 5 and Skittle got 3. I guess it was bound to happen. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna go take a nap while you guys go explore the cabins.